everyone. Welcome back to my bedroom here today for the School Hives YouTube with me, Miss Katie. I am so stoked to show you the planner I got for this new school year and wanted to share with you why I chose this one from Happy Planner. This planner first hits all of my color aesthetic vibes. If I could choose my color mood board, this is it. Look at all these amazing colors and patterns. It's so much fun. Next, this is actually a student planner. When I was looking online at a Happy Planner, they had teacher planners, regular ones, and student ones. And when I looked at the teacher one, it was nice, but it didn't have weekends. And I'm getting my master's this year and have a lot of homework and even some classes on Saturday that I need to keep track of. I love how it has the whole year and a small spreadsheet in the beginning because I can totally plan my teaching year and courses. I then love the bigger 2-page month at a glance for my Instagram and blog posts. Then there are the days. I plan on sectioning each square by topic of my students' groups to keep track of where we are in our curriculum. I will then use the leftover list to remind myself of homework assignments and any other things like birthdays and so on. Now, check out all of the month's cute artwork. When I got near the back, I even realized the back of the months were in white with black font, so they were easy to find either way you go. I've never had a fancier planner like this, but to be honest, I was totally missing out. I love the idea that I can use this one thing for literally everything going on in my life, from teaching, studenting, and Instagramming. If you like this quick planner tidbit and want to see more videos, make sure to hit like and subscribe below. In the comments, as always, are links to my Instagram, blog, and everything you saw here if you want to find a planner for yourself or follow the School Hive for day-to-day updates. And until next time, happy teaching, everyone.